Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses. All right, let's begin. First, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and log out of your account. Then log back in and check if the issue is resolved. If it's still slow, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser, scroll down and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up, check the box next to cookies and other site data, set the time range to all time, and then click Delete Data. Now, if the problem continues, it might be due to server issues. Open a new tab, search for OpenAI server status, and click on the first link. This will show if the servers are currently down or experiencing issues. If everything looks fine but ChatGPT is still slow, try using incognito mode in your browser to rule out extension conflicts or cached data issues. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT's slow responses. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.